Hello, everybody. Once again, we are here to offer you a very interesting link to a social network that is growing every month in followers. This social network is called Mastodon, with a domain authority strength of 84. The link is no follow like most of the links in social network profiles, but what makes this link special is that it indexes very well and quickly in Google search engine. As you can see, Mastodon is the same social network as Twitter, with its followers, news, etc. If you want to know how to put a link to your website on your Twitter profile, click here. You can create your Mastodon account on their website, mastodon.social, or on their homepage at joinmastodon.org. Accept Mastodon's rules and regulations. Fill in the requested information, such as your profile name, email, and password. Then accept the verification link sent to your email, and you will have your Mastodon account activated and ready to go. Now, we are going to fill in our name that will appear in Mastodon. Write a sentence in the bio section. You can include hashtags if you want. We look for some photos to put on our profile and on our Mastodon account cover. Like Twitter, Mastodon gives us the option to start following people. The idea is to follow people in the same sector as us. In my case, I will follow accounts that have to do with the internet sector, SEO, marketing, etc. We go back to our prolynken profile. And now we are going to put our URL in the bio of our profile. Click on Edit Profile. OK. In the bio section, we include a URL of our website or blog. We write, for example, visit our website and our URL. And click on Save Changes. And here we have it. The link is no follow, but Google likes this kind of links in social networks. Here you can see our prolynken social network to make link exchanges between webmasters totally free. Now, we are going to write a toot on Mastodon. We write a few words with our link to one of our prolynken posts. For more reach, we will include hashtags relevant to our industry. I recommend writing daily on Mastodon and adding your post, website, or whatever you want. Google really likes Mastodon, and it works very well as an indexer in the Google search engine. And finally, let's go with a technique to get followers on Mastodon. In the Profiles directory, we can search for people, new users, who have registered on the social network. We follow them, and we can even send them a message to follow them back. That's it, folks. We ask you to register to our ProLinken social network to be able to exchange links between other bloggers and SEO people. It's free. Best regards and see you in other videos.